here's a tip. Just notice I put on these cramp-on things, and there's two reasons I put these on. I don't do it near enough. When you're standing around in snow and ice, these kind of keep a little bit of a layer, an air layer, between the snow and ice to your boot, so it keeps your feet warmer. So if you're trying to keep your feet warm, put on crampons or some sort of track device, and that will keep your feet warmer. Believe it or not, it totally works. I just don't do it enough because typically I forget. And also, there's a lot of ice on the ground here, and I'm already sliding around. There you go. Well, obviously I'm at camp. Been here for about 2 hours, somewhere around there. And just been chilling, doing video, of course. And this is a great spot. I'm very lucky to get this spot. I was hoping nobody was going to be here. As I was coming down, there was a couple spots that were occupied, and so I thought this one might, because this is a really nice one. Pretty views all the way around, and especially with snow, it's just spectacular. I love it here. I've been at this spot before, I think once, and it's awesome. So I just camped last week, so you may have seen that video. That was February 10th. This is February 17th. I guess I could have done the math because it's exactly 1 week later. And last time I checked, 10 plus 7 is 17. So it's the 17th. I'm brilliant. I'm really smart. So, anyways, I'm going to chill, stop filming for a little while, and just enjoy the scenery. And that'll be it. I'll next time I film will probably be once the sun starts going down a little bit. I might just send up the drone, because with the sun lower in the sky, it's always prettier. And that's it. So I will check in later. Thanks for coming along. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, it's good. Well, it's been a fantastic day. I've enjoyed being out in nature, of course, and I had a nice dinner of steak and asparagus, which I'm sure you saw. And now I'm enjoying my Jameson's orange. And I'm going to sit here and wait for the stars to show up. See stars already starting to show over there. And so I'm just going to sit here and look at the stars. Like I said, enjoy my drink. And that's it. And then go to bed. Probably watch a movie or 10 minutes of a movie and fall asleep. And if you've made it this far, appreciate you coming along. Give a like and a subscribe if you'd like. Give it a dislike if you don't. And comment if you like to. And thanks to all the people that routinely comment on my videos. I really appreciate it. And and cheers to June, the Colorado Adventure Realtor. YouTube channel for her coming soon. She's my wife, and we'll be making videos together. And she's a realtor in Colorado, so if you're thinking of moving here, contact me and I'll put you in touch. Cheers to all my friends, and wish you guys were here. Kind of, maybe not, because I kind of like being by myself, but you all know that. So anyhow, I'm gonna, like I said, enjoy my drink and relax, watch the stars, and then go to bed. I will check in tomorrow morning. Good night. Cheers.
Cheers.